Alright guys, let's get started and let me show you guys how you can install a Ssl certificate on your WordPress website that runs on Google Cloud platform. So before I move into this video, I just want to let you know that you should have done three things first in order to install a Ssl certificate. First thing, you should install WordPress on Google Cloud platform, and then you need to point your domain with Google Cloud. And third, you need to reserve a static IP address on Google Cloud platform. Once you've done these things, now it's time to install a Ssl certificate. If you haven't done these things, I already made a video on these three topics. You can check out those videos by going to the description box of this video. Now let's go ahead and install a Ssl certificate on Google Cloud platform for your WordPress website. First of all, let's go to Compute Engine and then click on VM instances, virtual machine instances. So first of all guys, we need to connect our WordPress with SSH. By clicking this SSH button, we can connect our WordPress with it. Alright guys, as you can see, now I'm successfully connected with my server. Now I'm going to paste a few commands on this window. I'll leave a link for these commands in the description box of this video. You can copy and paste these commands as I'm doing in this video. So first command I'm gonna paste over here, this one. This is a certboot auto renewal client. Basically certboot gonna do is it will take care of the auto renewal Ssl certificate, so you don't have to renew your certificate by yourself. It will take care of this work by itself. Okay, once you paste this command, press enter. Okay, now we have successfully installed the certboot client. Now we need to generate a Ssl certificate. So you need to paste the next command, Control V. Make sure you add your own domain over here and here as well. Once you've done that, simply press enter. Now press Y and enter. Now here you have to enter your email address and then press enter. Now you have to agree with the terms of services. To do that, press A and press enter. And here, if you like to share your emails, then press yes, otherwise you can press no. So I'm gonna press N for no, press enter. Alright, now you can see this congratulations message right here. That means you have successfully generated a Ssl certificate. So guys, next we need to test our auto renewal Ssl certificate functionality. To do that, I'm gonna paste a command over here. I'm gonna press enter. Alright, if you see this message right here, congratulations, that means is your auto renewals function is working. Alright, now in the next step we are going to set up a Crontab. So basically Crontab going to do, if our certificate is due for renewal, it will automatically renew it. So I'm gonna paste the following command and press enter, and I'm gonna press 1 to use my nano for my text editor. I'm gonna press enter, and now I'm gonna go over here by pressing down arrow. I'm right now over here, as you can see, and I'm gonna paste the following command. So this command will tell certboot to check for the auto renewal Ssl certificate 2 times per day. So I'm gonna press Ctrl X and then Y to yes and press enter. So in the next step, we have to configure the Ssl certificate. So I'm gonna paste the following command. So with this command, it will open up our Bitnami configuration command. So I'm gonna press enter. So I'm gonna scroll down towards the bottom below the virtual host, and I'm gonna press enter. And here I'm gonna paste a few lines of code. So this command going to tell our server to serve only HTTPS with a secure connection on this website. So I'm going to use a www.hostbilla.com, or you can use www, or you can use your domain without 3 times W. So remember, you have to change your domain name over here. Don't use my domain, use your one. Once you've done that, scroll down by pressing down arrow key where you see 2 lines of SSL certificate files. We're gonna type hash before both of these lines. So in the below line, we're gonna paste a path of our certificate that we just generated. And here as well, you need to make sure guys you have entered your own domain over here and here as well. So once you've done that, press Ctrl X and then press Y to yes, and then press enter. So as you can see, I press enter a few times. It does not affect on anything. So in the next step, we have to change our WordPress website URL from WP config file. So in order to open the WP config file, we need to paste the following commands, and I'm gonna press enter. I'm going to middle of the code by pressing my down arrow key, and here you can locate these 2 lines of code where it start with define, and I'm gonna delete both of these lines. So in their place, I'm gonna copy these lines of codes. I'm gonna press Ctrl C and come over here, and I'm gonna press Ctrl V to paste. So in the first line where it says define, I'm gonna type star and press space bar, space one more time. Now these lines are equal. Next I'm gonna type S over here, HTTPS. Use your arrow key to navigate S, HTTPS in the both line. Now I'm gonna type the www over here in the both line, www.mydomainname in a both line. You can use your website without www, or you can use it with www. Actually, I don't need a space over here, and I'm gonna delete these stars from the beginning. Alright, perfect. So once you've done that correctly, press Ctrl X and then press Y to yes to change the modification, and then press enter. So I press enter few times to go towards the bottom. It does not affect on anything at all. Now in the very last step in this video, I'm going to restart my Apache server. So I'm going to paste the following command and press enter. Alright, now our Apache server is restarted successfully. Now let's just test out our WordPress website. Is it running with secure socket layer, I mean SSL? Let's open up a new tab and let's just type host Billa and press enter. Alright guys, as you can see, now we have successfully installed SSL certificate on this website. Now you can see this website running with www and with secure connection. Alright guys, that's the end of this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you like to see this tutorial in a text, you can check out the description box of this video. If you're new here, consider subscribing because I come with a new video tutorial every week on this channel about WordPress, motion graphics, and all the good stuff you need. I bring it to you. So that being said, goodbye, and I'll see you guys next time.